Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I will be showing you guys how I make my pickled pepper sauce. It's pretty easy. Let's get right into it. Alright, so here I have my carrots that was already washed. One of my medium carrots. What I did was cut it in half, and then I am just going to slice the carrot like this. Yes, as thinly as possible. And then after I cut the carrots this size, I'm then going to cut them in thin strips or julienne. Okay, or I'm also trying out my vegetable peeler, so I realized I could also use this. So if you have a vegetable peeler, you could use it as well. Okay, so once I was done with the carrots, I'm now going to go in with my onions. Okay, so I'm just going to cut the onions as well as thinly as possible. You want to ensure that you're using a sharp knife as well, guys. That way it makes cutting the vegetables easier, okay? Okay, and now for the star of the show, we're going to now slice our hot Scotch bonnet peppers. So guys, you want to ensure that you're wearing a gloves for this. So that's why I ensure that I'm wearing my gloves here, because you're going to be dealing with a lot of spices, okay? And you don't want to be touching your skin after you've cut all these peppers. All right, so ensure that you're wearing your gloves. So I'm just going to thinly slice all my peppers, and then we'll move on to our next step, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to go in and slice my garlics in 2, or some I'll be slicing in 3 or so, because I do like to add garlic to my hot pepper sauce. Okay, and here you have it when they're all done cutting. Alright, so I'm going to now move on to my next step, but don't this look lovely, guys? I just love the color arrangements. Alright, so now let's move on to our next step. Okay, so I'm going to just heat a pan here with some of my vinegar. I'm going in with about 2 cups of vinegar. Okay, and then I'm also going to be adding 1 cup of water just to tone down the harshness of the vinegar. That's how I normally do it. If you want to just go in with straight vinegar, that's also fine. Okay, And to that I'm also going to be adding in some of my other ingredients. Okay, here I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of white sugar or granulated sugar. And I'm also going to be adding in 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So now I'm just going to be stirring this a little bit, and I'm allowing it to simmer for at least 5 minutes before we pour it on our vegetables. Okay, so now back to our vegetables, and I'm using these medium-sized mason jars. Okay, you can use whatever jar you have on hand once you have a tight lid to fit on it. So I'm just going to be adding in the vegetables and our spices to the jars. Okay, and I'm also going in with a few of my allspice berries, maybe about 10 each. Okay, once I was through with filling all 3 jars, I am now going to go in with my vinegar. Okay, and you want to pour the vinegar all the way to the top, so all the vegetables are covered in the liquid, okay? Guys, this is a really delicious sauce. It goes well with fried fish, but you can also use it on other meats as well, because I do also love my Escovitch sauce on fried chicken. Okay, I will be adding videos in the near future showing how I use my Escovitch sauce. Okay guys, okay guys, here they are. Once they're all done and I tightly cover these, you can always leave them for at least a day or 2 to get the best taste after everything is soaked together. Alright, and you can always put these in the refrigerator for a longer storage time, especially after you've opened them. But you can also keep them out of the refrigerator depending on how fast you will use up all your pickled pepper. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, see you in my next video.